Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Bro, kill these fuckers. Play. Slot 1. So this is like a story, bro? What the fuck is this?
Meanwhile, aboard the Cajun Queen.
Bro, what the fuck? He's just casually bringing that fucking thing on?
Pierre LeBlanc, known by his fellow anglers as Scaly Pete.
Bro, that boy's ripped as shit.
Sharks. I on sharks.
You on drugs?
There was somebody better at this, you be following them, yeah? People who got a lot of wrong ideas about sharks.
Can I skip this, bro?
So I just say we gotta go.
Can I skip this?
Now how you gonna?
I don't fucking care. I want to play. I want to play. Oh, so I play the shark. I'm the shark.
This is
oh shit.
Fast.
Oh shit. We're a shark.
Literally.
We're a fucking shark, bro.
She has little to fear here in the Gulf.
You can use keep current. Yes. Bro, I can't wait to fucking chew someone's dick off.
Confidently moves.
No swimming in my area. No swimming in my fucking area. Press or hold to bite. Tap out repeatedly. 𝐿 Oh shit!
The Predator's 350
oh, die, bitch!
Are put on full display.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Die, bitch! 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 Bitch, 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 bitch. I'm coming for all these fuckers, dude. I'm coming for the turtle, too. Die, you stupid turtle. No Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles now. Bitch. King Mackerel. Oh, you're not king no more. You're fucking in my mouth, bro. You can use the tail whip to knock back and stun targets. Oh, shit. Oh, that's dope. Okay, that's how you sprint, bro? Alright, bro, we're coming for this fucking turtle. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you like that? You like that? Oh, you like that?
Exhibiting behavior
like
more common to a thresher shark.
Oh, you like that?
This bull makes creative
You like that?
use of a powerful tail.
You like that? Oh, you like that? Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. Turtle. Bro, there's no turtles, bro. No turtles on my side. Bro, where are the people at? I want to fucking chew someone's dick off. I don't want someone to have kids. They don't deserve to be on this. They don't, guys, when you think about it, that's actually a good thing because, like, the kids will have to suffer in this evil fucking world, bro. You know what I mean? Like, bro, this world is so fucking evil. I wouldn't want to be born in this world again, you know what I mean? Oh shit.
A shark fin is a sinister reminder to humans.
How do I go back down?
Remains a
submerge? Oh
and
shit.
Untamed.
Hopefully I don't implode, bro. Hint, hint. I'm not gonna say it. Alright. Oh shit. Come here, bitch. So you can jump in the air from the knifing position to reach enemies above water. Press the jump from knifing. Hold on. Wait, I want to kill this fucker. Alright,
by grouper standards, the hind is nonetheless known for its heavy excreting habits.
Oh shit! Wait. Press to jump.
The bull
I see.
an acrobatic feat
so we go this
worthy
fucker?
of an orca, cruelly imprisoned and put on display in a marine park stunt show.
Hold on, let's get this fucker. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. You know what? I guess that's all we needed to do. Damn, bro, this water looks nasty. Oh, dude, there's jet skiers. You can leave the knife position by submerging.
The big fish plunges to the ocean below.
Come on, bitch. You can gain a burst of speed by lunging up to hold lunge to maintain max speed. Hold on a second, guys. Let me do something real quick. Alright.
The bull's speed is astounding for a large marine predator.
Wait, hold on. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Lunge up towards the surface to breach. Oh, shit. Damn. Lunge up towards the surface to breach out water. Hold on. Wait, hold on. What? Okay, that's
a
what we
breaching
do.
shark is a rare and calorie-intensive spectacle.
I'm rare, bro. Taste me. Just see how I taste, bro. If you lick my face, I taste like fucking, I just killed a seal, bro. I just killed a fucking sea dog. No! But, I was gonna say, fuck, dude, I forgot. Alright. Come here, bitch. Oh, let's go up again. Wait, what? That didn't count? Oh, we gotta go, like, straight up. There we go, there we go. Easy, bro, easy. Hold on an object and press to whip shot? Oh, bet. Bet, bro. Oh, shit, easy. Easy, bro. Easy. Wait, we didn't do it right. Oh, shit. Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. Come here, bitch, come on, parrot. That didn't count, damn it. Come on, bro, give me someone, give me someone. Why is that not counting? Why the fuck is that not counting, bro? Do we have to kill them? I don't understand. What? Hold on an object and press the whip shot. Oh, I see. Wait, what? I don't understand. Hold on. Bro, what the fuck is going on? You stupid bitch. Bro, what the fuck did we do? Hold on an object. Oh, I think we gotta do like an actual object. I think that's what they mean. I see.
Help me!
You bitch. You bitch. Where'd he go? Dead. There's your dick. I'm glad I ate his dick, bro. I can't do that. No, that's not gonna work. Oh shit. Oh shit. Break this shit, bro. Titanic 2. Titanic 3, I mean. Come on. Come on, bitch. 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 Damn it. I don't think I'm doing that right. I gotta find another object like that, bro. Where at, though? Where at, bruh?
Groupers are capable of absorbing extreme amounts of water in their attempts to suck up prey.
I need an object. Stupid bitch. Parents don't love you. Parents don't love you either. Oh, there we go. There's a boat. There's a boat. Jet skis. Hey, ain't no jet ski now. That's shark prey to me. Bitch. Come on, bitch. Come back. You can't go. You can't run. You can't run. Can't run. Can't run. Bitch. Why didn't that count? Why the fuck did that not count? So I think I have to click it right. Okay. I think I have to click. Well, I'm slow. I guess you just had to click it. Bad, bro. Bro, this game is fun as shit, dude. I'm enjoying this, bro. This is satisfying. I love killing stupid humans in this game. I'm edgy. I'm just playing. Alright. Bro, imagine if there was like a... Imagine if sharks had the same IQ as us, bro. And there was like a sport where like they could fucking kill humans like this. Like there was like a whole tournament, bro. Imagine. Imagine.
While it is well known that sharks feed on mollusks, fish, and seals, less discussed is their propensity to feed on fear.
Oh, dude. Fear, huh? Bitch. So I guess we gotta kill all the beachgoers, right? Bet. Bet, bro. Bet, dude. It sounds like a plan to me. Kill the beachgoers. Alright, we gotta find... Let's go this one. Let's get this one. Come on. Come on, bitch. Alright. Come on, bitch. Oh, you're mine now.
Even for
you're mine now. You're mine now. I'm having Big Macs on the menu. You're mine now. You're mine now. You're mine now.
As with every feature of its anatomy, the shark's tail is perfectly designed for its unique and fascinating lifestyle.
You're mine now. How did I not kill anyone from that, bro? What? Oh, those are the people I have to kill. I see. Alright, bet. Oh, you're dead. Fuck you. Fuck you. And her parents. I'm having fucking penises tonight. Oh.
It's plausible that sharks have learned to depend
now
on
I need some titties, bro.
Abundance of human swimmers
I want some sour milk.
Coast.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bro, I can't believe this game is fucking, God damn. This game reminds me of that one phone game I played, Hungry Shark. Was someone meditating? Bro, was someone fucking meditating down there? What the fuck are we trying to manifest, bro? A shark fucking eating your penis alive? Holy shit. Alright. Kill this bitch. Bitch. Go back in the water. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Swats prey
hell yeah.
Its muscular tail.
You're dead, bitch. Oh, you're dead? You're dead?
It must be emphasized that this sort of targeted violence is quite unusual.
They call me a shark serial killer for nothing.
That shark needs a good
for a reason.
Go get him, Chad.
Oh, parrotfish, bro. You can reach higher places like Bodex using air lunge. Lunge out of the water, use bite, press up on air for a second boost. Use Q and E to evade. Bet.
How you doing there, shark?
Bet, bro. Bet, bro. Bet, bro. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Oh, yeah. Defeat 100 boats. Bet. Oh, dude, they can fucking shoot me? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Try to laser me, bro? I'm the laser. They call me laser for a reason. Oh, dude, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm just spamming buttons.
Chad. Kenny, knock him down, partner.
Easy, bro. Alright, where's the next one? Where's the next one? Come on, bitch.
Hey, we. She putting up a fight for sure.
Oh shit, you suck. Your aim's terrible, bro. Your aim's terrible. Your aim's terrible. Your accuracy is more worse than fucking Sam Donald, bro. Holy shit, come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Oh, come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Bro, kill these fuckers. Kill these fuckers. Kill these fuckers, bro. Die, you stupid bitch.
Okay. Derek, you got this one.
Bitch. Dude, oh my god, this is crazy. Alright, we just need one more. We just need one more. Easy, bro. Easy. You're gonna destroy his boat. How is it still shooting me? Die, bitch.
I ain't playing no more. I catch me this shark myself.
Bro, I think I went for the wrong fucking boat. Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, look at them teeth. Ooh.
Scaly Pete?
What a mantelpiece.
I ain't scared of a man with a beer belly.
Got us some dinner coming, boys.
What the fuck?
Let's get her up on deck, huh?
What? Bro, what?
On board the Cajun Queen, Scaly Pete looks over the catch of the day.
Are you about to fuck me?
Yeah, it's my daddy's iron, all right.
Bro, what the fuck? I just got murdered.
This ain't D-Shark.
I'm still alive, I'm still alive.
How do you know?
How I know? Not big enough.
I'm
This
bleeding,
will
bro.
make it to you. Oh, well, look here.
This makes me mad. That shit.
She's on for me. Hello.
This makes me mad as fucking shit,
How's your
bro.
mama in there?
Whoa! Well, why'd you do that?
So I can identify her. Next time I see
I want
her,
this fucker dead.
when I spear her.
I want this fucker dead, bro. Oh shit! Take his arm off, bro.
Tiny pup.
That started with Thanos all of a sudden, bro.
For survival.
Made his arm disappear.
You'll maybe want to turn off that camera.
Kill this fucker, bro. Wait, is that it? I think it was just the intro, bro. Wait, skip this shit. There's his hand, bro. Oh shit. Oh. Meet Pete. Episode 2?
A famous big game hunter once posited that after an animal had tasted human flesh, it forsakes its natural prey in a deadly single-minded search for the most dangerous game.
Oh, huh? Interesting, bro. Interesting indeed, you know? Interesting indeed, bro. Alright, bro, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. Oh, shit.
This shark understands that she needs to eat essential minerals to stay healthy and grow.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Visit the 𝐭𝐤𝐫𝐞 grotto. Oh, they took the grotto from Fortnite into this, huh? Why is my fucking...
A nervous
okay, I
influx
see.
is communicated to the shark's brain. It recognizes that a potential meal is near.
Oh, so I see, bro. I'm the baby shark. I see, okay. The main one got captured. I got you. So that's where I gotta go? Can I touch this? Yeah. Oh, shit, dude. Oh, shit. Damn, bro.
It's here in the grotto.
This is some
the
LA.
shark can
Bro,
discover the
bro,
absolute
imagine if sharks could trip on fucking acid, bro. Imagine seeing all these lights.
serenity deep within her
How's their
soul.
bad trip gonna be, bro? They gonna start going like this? They're gonna start going like, what? They're gonna, like, bro, are the sounds they're gonna make gonna be like, arf, arf, arf? Like, is that what they're gonna be like, bro? Ooh, star. Okay, where do I go, bro? Wait, where do I go? Oh, press I. Oh shit, we can upgrade? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Upgrade. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Wait, what do we do? Bro, what the fuck do we do? Hold on. Is that it? Press. Wait, press left click your new advanced. Is this it? Bro, what? I'm clicking the mouse. What the fuck is it talking about? Wait, do I have to... Hold on. How do I equip it? Yo, how do I actually equip it, bro? This is making me mad. How do I fucking equip it, bro? I don't know what the fuck to do, bruh. I don't know what the fuck to do. I think we should call, guys, let's play a different game.